All right, guys, I have to do a voiceover because I got some noisy neighbors right now, and you probably couldn't hear me when I was trying to speak the first time. But this video here was on Skook. I guess that's how you say the name of it. It's spelled Pskook. But anyway, what it is it's a bow drill kit that I ordered from Amazon for you to practice with at home. And what I mean by practice, see how all this is already pre-made for you. You don't have to worry about making this out in the field, finding the right kind of wood. Because if you get it right with this, then you know it's your wood. But what I've noticed with me out in the field, and I don't even know each tree, but out in the field and trying to find the right wood that work, you don't know if it's the wood or your skills. So a lot of things could be wrong and you're not sure what it is. But this right here, if you can't get this to work, it's your skills. And if you get this to work, you know it's the skills, because the wood is like perfect all the way down to the notches. I'm not even sure what kind of wood it is. I'll put a link in the description here in a moment. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get the burn in going right here. Okay, I got my burn in. That's good enough for me. So now let's go for the amber, see if we can get a fire going. Right here is basically some jute string already shredded up. I got a video on how to make some of this if you want. It's just a little tender, that's all it is. It comes with this tender, by the way, too. But yeah, you guys should have seen that in the video anyhow. But let's place it under there like this and let that amber catch on there or drop on there and blow it into a fire. Here we go. Now, normally when people see smoke, they want to stop and check it, but don't stop. Just keep on going until you start seeing some of the dust billowing out the side. And if you see it still smoking, you got amber. So I stopped a little early, so let me give it a little bit more. And as you can see here, I did have fire. I do have fire, but I did blow it out trying to make it burn too fast. But I got fire, folks. It's a nice starter kit for you to practice with. I advise getting one if you haven't been successful in the bow drill fire. This right here will build all your confidence up all the way. Thanks for watching.